Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, this is the card of the month tarot reading for May 2021 for top politicians of India. Now, these are the cards from Mr. Modi, Mr. Shah, Mr. Rajnath Singh, then Gandhi family, External Affairs Minister Mr. Jaishankar, NS Ajit Doval, and CDS Bipin Rawat. Then Mamta Banerjee, Arvind Kejriwal, Uddhav Thackeray. These are three chief ministers of Bengal, Delhi, and Maharashtra. Then MP. For these are the cards for chief minister of MP, Gujarat, and Karnataka. These are the cards for MK Stalin, Pinarayi Vijayan, and Sarvananda Sonowal, Chief Minister of Assam. So, now let's start with here. Sarvananda Sonowal. Now, this card has two meanings. One, the person has defeated the other guys in such a way that they are feeling very bad and they had just gone far away. So, uh, looks like either he will win election very well, very in such a way that he might get 3/4 majority or something like that, and after elections, lots of people, he might ignore lots of people. That's what I feel strongly, and lots of people will get angry at him, or he might be shown the door. That also can happen, and instead of him someone else might be made chief minister. That is also a possibility looking at this card. Then Pinarayi Vijayan. Now, while doing reading for Kerala elections, I saw one thing, that Pinarayi Vijayan may not become CM again. In his place someone else from left might become CM. So his month of April will be full of adjustments. MK Stalin looks good, month of May looks good, and clear indication of him becoming the CM. Then B.S. Yediyurappa, Vijay Rupani. Looks like Karnataka and Gujarat will do well in controlling COVID-19 crisis. But the cards for Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Chief Minister of MP, not good. And this card, Moon card. So it clearly indicates that the spread of virus COVID-19 in MP might escalate. The situation will escalate more, which will give lots of tension to Mama Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Then cards for Uddhav Thackeray, Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Now looking at this card, his month of May will be average or below average. Nothing much. Here, Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Lots of challenges coming up in the month of May. He will be very, very occupied. Then, cards for present Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamta Banerjee. But looks like in the month of May, she may not be. Devil card. Because why she may not be? Because here cards for Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah and Mr. Rajnath Singh, all three good cards for the month of May. So looks like BJP will form the government in Bengal. That's what this is also indicating in some way. Then I had seen lots of reports that there is an activity in Aksai Chin and LAC from Chinese side. But looking at the card of Mr. Bipin Rawat, CDS, and Ajit Doval, looks like there won't be any problem. And also of Mr. Rajnath Singh, I don't see any problem coming from Chinese side in the month of May. Then External Affairs Minister Mr. Jaishankar looks below average month for him, month of May. Clearly, he will find himself stuck some or the other way. Then cards for Gandhi family, Mrs. Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. All three are good cards. So looks like that month of May is good. Things will work for them. Then I had already told you this is a card of a winner, the person who has won, and he is riding on a horse in a procession. So looks like uh, all gains for Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah. So this corona crisis also in the month of May, it will be under control. Lots of things will be in control in comparison to March and April. And the way we have saw the oxygen crisis, the ICU beds problems, and lots of other things, looks like in the month of May all these issues will come under control. That's what the cards are suggesting. So that's it. Hope you like the reading. Thank you very much.